voted and how much did the public.
Uria unyitirire giturwa kia munene wa borithi kwa ihinda thutha wa kwamurwo ciumia igiri hituku Gilbert Masengeli augite ruhonge ruru rwa ugitiri ni rwihotorete kugacirithia ugitiri muiganu hindi ya mirurungano iria itanyitwo kuhanika wakana kiumia giki na iria ibangitwo ni andu ethi na ekananio nane.
Everybody, every Kenyan, as per the law, has liberty to demonstrate, picket, and assemble as per the law. And that one, each and everyone is very much aware. And where the privilege of the rights of one ends is where the other starts. We are all Kenyans, and we have to live by the rule of law. This is a Kenya governed by democracy and governance by the Constitution.
Akiaria na andiki a mohoro thukuru-ini wa mathomo ma borithi wa Embakasi thutha wa mucemanio na makamanda a borithi a miena itiganite, Masengeli ni atetirithitie ati he bata arũrũngani marũmĩrĩre watho na kihinyio kuona hari na aria mararũrũngana na muoroto wa kuguoyohia mateta ma andu ethi.
On the Gen Z factor, I will say that they have a message. They have said and has been heard. They want it to be done as per the law. And in this regard, it is asked the security agencies to ensure to differentiate the real Gen Zs and those who take the opportunist of that riots and whatever, so that they cause mayhem, they cause destruction of property, and also cause that acts of violence that are not allowed by the law.
Mucemanio uyu kwirikanite gutemania mathina maria makamanda ya borithi mahitukagira iturwa-ini ici cia utongoria hoka ni gukinyaniria motungata ma ugitiri kuri muingi. Ngeribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Gwaithira wa Ndwati.